guys, I'm putting the last of the laundry in the car. It's one thing I hate about living on the second floor, bro. It's like 3 freaking trips. Alright. Let's put this guy in here. I got a lot of laundry today. Alright guys, check this out. Gosh. Alright. Let that car warm up for a second while I go inside, get me some water, get my headphones, and get to recording. Okay guys, we are on our way to the laundromat. Now you guys get to see my bad side. Hashtag pimples. Anyway, on our way. I hope you guys like how ironic my shirt is. So it says Sunday Bunday. Today is not Sunday, and my hair is in a ponytail. It's whatever, you know, right? Thankfully, a laundromat, okay, as much as it does suck not having a washer and dryer, fortunately, I live 2 minutes away from a laundromat. So that's definitely a positive. Because if I did have a washer and dryer at home, literally I would be doing laundry every freaking day, just about. And which I mean would be nice, because then you just always have clean clothes. Because right now, my boyfriend and I, we do laundry once a week, but it takes 2 hours. You knock out 10 freaking loads of laundry. So I'm just it's kind of, they both have their pros and their cons, but obviously one day I would like a washer and dryer. Do some laundry. The best time to come is in the morning, because if you come at night, there's too many people. There's too many people. Oh, they got 2 people. Oh damn. I wonder how many people are in here. There's a sign outside that says they can't allow more than 10 people in here. That's interesting. Well, I mean, that's not interesting because of all this stuff going on, but that's just these people need to learn how to fucking park. Everyone on the damn line. Shit. I fucking hate when people can't park their damn cars in a parking spot. Cause this bitch on the left of me fucking parked on the line. Not my fault, bitch. I'm not on the line. Okay guys, so I'm here at the laundromat. I have all my stuff in the laundry now. I was gonna record myself putting it in the washer, but it was just too much stuff. Okay, there we go. Anyway, but we got blankets, clothes, towels, all that good stuff. I did have my gloves on. Don't worry, my hands smell like latex now. I don't know how the fuck people wear those freaking gloves, because they make my hands so hot. Hot. I was damn. So anyway, but I got 22 minutes on laundry. Then I gotta put all that good stuff in the dryer, which that takes 40 minutes. And then fold it all. It literally takes me 2 hours to do laundry because it's just so much clothes. That's literally 10 loads of clothes between those 2 washers. One's a 6 load, the other's a 4 load. I was telling Danny, I'm babe, we're gonna have to get a freaking 3 load washer, because we just go through a lot of clothes. We're just gonna need to get an industrial size one for the freaking house one day, Anyway, so the laundromat's only allowing 10 people or less in here right now because all the coronavirus stuff, which is pretty crazy. So like anytime someone walks in, you can see them like tally down on a piece of paper of like how many people are in here. I was just like, whoa, that's weird. Anyway, so I'm gonna make a time lapse of me folding everything, but until I get to folding, I'm gonna sit here and watch my TV show. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of or seen the show 60 Days In. It's about these people that like volunteer to go to jail for 60 days. And it's actually like really interesting. A friend of ours showed it to us a couple days ago, and I was like, huh, it's pretty good. I like jail movies and like jail shows and all that type of stuff. So it was really interesting to watch. But this one's like real life, like innocent people that are volunteering, and some of the jails that they get placed in, I'm just like, good God, I could not do that. Anyway, but so while all that's going into the washer and while it's drying, I'll be recording videos. I might take videos in between. I haven't decided yet, just like record myself talking. We'll see. But once I do get to folding everything, that's when I'm doing. That's when I'm gonna do my time lapse, because it's a lot of fucking clothes to fold, and I'm not trying to have you guys watch that in real life time. So enjoy the time lapse of me folding clothes. Anyway, okay. See you guys soon. Bye. Okay, guys. So now my stuff is in the dryer. I have like 30 minutes till the blanket's dry. Then I can fold those. Okay guys, I'm not even lying, since they have like the millions of signs up that say to not like fold your clothes. Well, I literally don't have anywhere in my house to fold the clothes besides like the bed, but like still. And I was literally folding like my shit like hella fast, because like all these people started coming in, and I was like, oh my god, because I didn't want to be like kicked out mid-fold, you know. So goodness, I literally broke a sweat. Can you see this shit? Look. I was like freaking Olympic folding right there, and I'm a fast folder like already, so I was like breaking a sweat, bro. That shit was like, my good God. Oh god. Anyway, so we're done now. Time to head home, unload all this shit, and at least we'll be good on laundry for a little while. Toodles.